Hola amigos, welcome back to a new class in Learn Easy Spanish. Yo soy tu maestro de español. Mi nombre es Ahmed Raza. So let's begin the class, my friend. Today we are going to do two very special words in Spanish. Okay, the verb sentir and the verb sentar. They are very, very similar in the sound. Okay, so be careful how you pronounce them. Sentir, sentar. Okay, let's begin the class, my friends. Okay, sentir. Sentir has two meanings in Spanish. Sentir can mean to feel, and sentir can mean to apologize as well. Okay, sentir is used as an verb to apologize. Okay, so the conjugation of sentir in the present tense. Yo siento. Okay, sentir. It's a stem changing verb. Okay, verbs that change their formation from here are called stem changing verbs. Okay, so this is a stem changing verb. Yo siento, or in other words, an irregular verb. Yo siento, I feel. Tú sientes, you feel. Él siente, ella siente, usted siente. He feels, she feels, you feel. Nosotros sentimos. Okay, we feel. Now again, you'll note always irregular verbs in the nosotros formations take the regular formation. Nosotros sentimos. Ellos sienten, ustedes sienten. They feel, you all feel. Okay, let's go to the next one. The next one is sentar. The next one, sentar, has a reflexive version as well. Okay, it's a reflexive verb as well. Sentarse. Okay, so let's do sentar first. Sentar means to sit. Yo siento. Okay, I sit. Now, pay attention to this. Conjugation of sentir and sentar in the present tense in the first person is the same. Okay, sentir is also yo siento, and sentar is also yo siento. Okay, so yo siento, I sit. Tú sientas, you sit. Okay, now here we have a change. Okay, this is an R verb, so it's sientes. This is an AR verb, so it's sientas. Okay, so tú sientas, you sit. Él sienta, ella sienta, usted sienta. He sits, she sits, you sit. Nosotros sentamos. Okay, again here, this is the regular formation. Okay, nosotros sentamos, we sit. Ellos sientan, ustedes sientan. Okay, they sit, you all sit. Okay, now the reflexive version of the verb sentar, which is sentarse. Okay, we've done a class on reflexive verbs as well. Okay, reflexive verbs are verbs describing what we do to ourselves. Okay, what I do to myself, what you do to yourself, etc. We use that with the reflexive verb formation. Okay, so the conjugation here is me siento, I sit myself. Tú sientas, you sit yourself. Se sienta, he, she, and you sit yourselves. Nos sentamos, we sit ourselves. And se sientan, they sit themselves. Okay, or you all sit yourselves. Okay, so these are the conjugations of these verbs. Okay, some sentences to explain how we use these verbs. Okay, let's start with sentir. Sentir means to feel or to apologize. Okay, a very common saying in Spanish is lo siento. Lo siento means I'm sorry. Okay, lo siento mucho. Okay, siento mucho pena en decirte esto. Siento mucho pena. Okay, I feel much pity or much sorrow en decirte este, to tell you this. Okay, decir comes, decir is the verb to say or to tell. So siento mucho pena decirte eso, or en decirte eso. Okay, you can also say siento mucho pena decirte eso. I'm really sorry to tell you this. Okay, siento hambre a veces en la noche y me despierto. Siento hambre a veces en la noche. Siento hambre. Okay, I feel hungry at times, a veces at times in the night, y me despierto, and I wake up. I get up or I wake up. Despertar is also a reflexive verb. Okay, the verb is despertarse. Despertarse means to wake up. Okay, so siento hambre a veces en la noche y me despierto. Okay, another example. ¿Podemos sentarnos en esta mesa? ¿Podemos sentarnos en esta mesa? Can we sit at this table? Okay, podemos sentarnos. Can we sit at this table? Okay, the next one. Us. The next one is sentar. Okay, actually, podemos sentarnos belongs to this group. Okay, it's to sit down. Okay, I put it here by mistake. It should have been there. Okay, so sentar. Yo siento. I sit. Tú sientas. You sit. Él, ella, usted sienta, etc. Okay, examples of to sit. Okay, order form of sit in the tú and the usted. In the tú form, if I say sit down, I'll say siéntate. Siéntate means to sit down in the tú formation. Siéntese when I respectfully say sit down to somebody. Okay, then I'll say siéntese. So siéntate and siéntese. La gente está sentado en el jardín. La gente está sentado en el jardín. The people are sitting in the garden. Okay, sentado. Okay, la gente está sentado. The last one, the reflexive version. Okay, sentarse. Necesito sentarme un rato. Necesito sentarme un rato. Now here it's being used as an auxiliary verb. Okay, we've combined it with necesitar. I need to sit down a while. Necesito sentarme un rato. Okay, ¿quieren sentarse? Do you all want to sit down, or would you all like to sit down? Would you all like to sit down? ¿Quieren sentarse? Next one. No puedo sentarme aquí. No puedo sentarme aquí. I can't sit here. No puedo. Puedo comes from the verb poder, which means be able to or can. So no puedo, I can't. Sentarme aquí. I can't sit here. And the last one. Ella le obligó a sentarse. Ella le obligó. She obligated him or her to sit down. A sentarse. Okay. Obligó is the preterite tense of the verb obligar. Obligar means to obligate. Okay. Or in a way it can mean to force. Ella se obligó. She forced him to sit. Okay. Ella le obligó a sentarse. Okay, my friends, so this was our class today on the verbs sentir and sentar. Hope you enjoyed my class. Keep watching my videos. I keep uploading a new lesson almost every day. So keep watching my lessons. Keep learning Spanish with me. And I request you to kindly subscribe to my channel. Okay, any questions, comments, doubts, please leave them in the comment section and I shall gladly answer them for you. Thank you, my friends, for watching my class. Muchas gracias, amigo. Hasta luego.